The ASA is committed to building a statistically literate society. We want to make the study of statistics and statistical careers more attractive and enhance the professional preparation of statisticians.
It was ASA's vision back in the early 2000s to have the pre-K through 12 GAIS framework document written that allowed that document to be on the table when the Common Core standards were written. In many ways, we're leaders at K through 16 with a strong statistics education community, but in K through 12, we're not as far ahead as, let's say, New Zealand. And most of our math teachers have little or no formal statistical training. So the essential question became, what statistical preparation do they need to successfully support student learning? And the result, I believe, is a groundbreaking document that can support teacher educators nationally and around the world.
A great saying is, I teach, what's your superpower? We all know that teachers are indeed superheroes, but even superheroes need help. At the ASA, we are committed to making sure they get it.